have a scratches making me itch.
On commence.
Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Simpy. Hello and welcome to my channel Learn French with Simpy. Today we are going to learn French indefinite articles. In French, this is les articles indéfinis. So let's start. What is indefinite article? Indefinite articles are the articles that determine noun, that is a, an and some. And like this, in French, these are of also three types, that is un, une, des. Un indicate masculine singular form, une indicate feminine singular form, and they indicate masculine feminine plural form. Un is used in front of masculine singular noun, une is used in front of feminine singular noun, and they is used in front of plural masculine feminine noun. Now let's take the example of these articles. First of all, un roi, a king, un roi, a king, un chien, a dog, un chien, a dog, un jardin, a garden, un jardin, a garden. Now take the examples of une. Okay? Une reine, a queen, une reine, a queen, une souris,
A mice.
une souris,
A mice.
une porte, a door, une porte, a door. Now let's take some examples of they. Okay? Des chiens. Some dogs, des chiens. Some dogs, des souris. Some mice, des souris. Some mice. Des amis, some friends. Des amis, some friends. Here you have to remember one thing that is very, very important in French grammar, that is about they. Okay? They. When the word is start with the vowel, then we have to pronounce s, that is des amis. Ami is starting from a and it is a vowel, that's why we have to pronounce s, des amis. But remember that if the word is not start with the vowel and the word start with any other consonant, then we don't have to pronounce s. For example, des souris, some mice, des souris. Are you able to differentiate it? Des amis, des souris. If the word start with the vowel, we have to pronounce s, and if the word is not start with the vowel, we don't have to pronounce s. Now I'm going to give you some sentences. Okay? Il y a un homme. There is a man. Un homme. There is a man. A man. Il y a une femme. There is a woman. A woman. Une femme. Il y a des pommes. There are some apples. Il y a des pommes. There are some apples. And now at last, let's remember the key points. A is used for what? Yes, a is used for masculine singular noun. Une is used for feminine singular noun. They is used for masculine feminine plural noun. Now let's do some fun exercises. Okay? I'll give you the word and you tell me which article should use there. Okay? Let's start. Parapluie. Parapluie. Umbrella. Yes,
A parapluie.
the word is end with E. Note that the word which end with the letter E mostly are feminine. 70% those words are feminine noun. Okay?
But parapluie is an exceptional case.
Now I'm going to give you exceptional word. Okay? Livre. Yes. Livre. Yes. Although the word ends with the letter E, but this is masculine word. This is exceptional word. Okay? So, un livre. Un livre. A book.
A parapluie. An umbrella. A parapluie. An umbrella.
It is robinette. Robinette. Yes, a robinette. A tap. A tap of water. A robinette. A tap. Tableau. Yes, une table. Table is feminine singular form. Une table. And also this word is end with the letter E. Une table. Chaise. Yes, the word end with the letter E. Une chaise. A chair. Hey guys, if you like my videos then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you have any doubts then please do comment in my comment box. Merci, au revoir.